So papyrus was made from the papyrus plant. And then you'd have these little pieces, papyrus. And they would make them into paper. You would write different things on top of them. It looks like they eventually would roll them up. This is the roll of the papyrus, which was like the 1st, 2nd century. It changed. Actually, it was into 105 to 450 AD that the rolls were replaced by the codexes. And sometimes animals would eat up on the edges. So we have papyrus early history there. And we have some also clay shards, things written there. You have parchment. This is mainly from the 2nd BC to 4th century onward. And then you have paper, which comes mainly from the 6th or 8th century up to 9th, 10th century. And then you have the codex, which is on paper, which is from a later time period. So look it up when that is. Also on display is all these different archives, family archives. I'll see in here, there's one in Arabic, something that's about the family. Different documents, family history. It's amazing, interesting place to visit. Different documents tell different stories. And you'll find yourself probably by yourself in here.